Alright, how's it going, everybody? Well, we got a new one today. We are going to do a succulent arrangement, and we got quite the variety of succulents to use. Check out the beautiful variety. We got some Echeveria, Graptoveria, some Sedums. We got, look, I even found this. This was quite the find. That is a Sansevieria Dwarf Bonzel with the common Echeveria Perle von Nürnberg. Haworthia. I think this is a zebra plant. I'm not sure. String of buttons. Check it out here. We got a beautiful string of pearls. Yes, we do. Beautiful string of pearls, and a beautiful string of pearls here. And then come check it out over here. Oh, look at this. I think this is a deadly glow or something. I'm not sure. This is a beauty though. Thing's humongous. These are 4 inches. That one over there is an 8-inch pot. Oh, we got the Ioniums. The Kiwi Ionium. How can you not love the Kiwi Ioniums? We got Corsula, some kind of Corsula campfire. We also got over here, this is a Graptoveria Devi. Same with this one, Graptoveria Devi. Stonecrop Variegate. What else we got? I don't know how to pronounce this one though. This is the Takasago. The Takasago Echeveria. The Takasago no Okina. Oh, we got this one here too. The good old Echeveria lipstick. Agavoid. And I'm trying to identify this one right now, actually. If anybody can help me out, check this one out. It's about to bloom. Some kind of Echeveria, bluish Echeveria. I'm trying to identify that one. So far I got blue Echeveria and a couple other ones. But yeah, we're working with, another Ionium right here. This is one of my favorites. This is the Echeveria. Oh, bummer. Ooh, I'm lost right now. This one, Echeveria lemon lime. Echeveria lemon lime. That's a beauty, huh? Variegated bear paws. The regular bear paws. Gotta identify this one too. Look at this beauty. Woo! Some kind of agavoid. These are the baby donkey tails. The little mini baby donkey tails. The lipstick, some Sedums, some Stonecrops, some Echeverias. This exotic one, I forget the name of that. Some more Crasulas, some Senecios, some pearls. Oh, we got a bunch of hearts going on over here. Bunch of beautiful hearts. Bunch of beautiful hearts we're playing with today. Or not today, but yeah. Look at those. Beautiful. Get a nice close look at them. Ooh. How can you not like string of hearts? They're just amazing. Fast growing species. Just absolutely, they grow long. They say they grow up to 9 feet, but I've had them way surpass that 9-foot reference. These ones are probably like 24 inches right now. This one's probably about 48 inches. That one over there, those two over there. Got another, look, oh, I've showed you this was in the video last time. One of my videos is Sansevieria. Ooh, look at this. We got it. Look at that. That's the string of rubies in full sun. This is the string of rubies over here in no sun. Look at the different colors, same plant, way different. Just got this beautiful one too, look at that. Well, let's get on it. Let's get over here. Get you on the tripod. This is what we're gonna work with right now. You know, we're gonna cut that out actually. That's the video for today. This is a little down run of what we got going. I'm gonna make a second video. This is 5 minutes already, so next video we're gonna work with check it out here. Show you what we're working with. We're gonna make a arrangement out of this little shallow pot. So give one more good look at these beautiful plants. Thank you for watching. Next video. Oh, Echeveria Lola, yes. Gotta love the Echeveria Lolas. Alrighty. Stay tuned. Thank you. Likes, comment, subscribe, do all that silly stuff. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much.